Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to change your country of residence on YouTube Studio. Now the best thing is to use the YouTube Studio website. So you go to YouTube Studio website, which is youtube.studio or studio.youtube.com, but preferably studio.youtube.com. And once you're there, you sign in with your information at the top, and once you've signed into the YouTube Studio, to bring you to your channel dashboard. This is exactly where we are. So what you do on the left hand side, you scroll all the way down until you see the gear icon at the bottom. Tap on settings, then you see the general channel upload and the rest of them. Just choose channel, and then make sure some basic information here, and then you can see country of residence. Then you can now change it. Then choose the country of residence you want. So it's as simple as that, because this is very, very important to have the right country of residence, because this feature helps you with eligibility for the YouTube partner program. So once you've changed it, next thing you're going to do, let's say I chose Algeria. Next thing you're going to do is click on save. Settings has been saved. It is as simple as that.